Hi guys, welcome to the part 3 of this Albanian trip, the Beast on the road. Actually today the Beast is resting on a parking lot in a Shkoder, and we're gonna hit the Komani Lake, Shala River. The whole journey is gonna be on a boat with these amazing views. Look at that. Actually in this episode what you will see, apart from this trip, tomorrow we're gonna hit the beaches. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it so far. And of course the like would be amazing for this video. And now enjoy.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Question, shall we go on the other side? Yeah, definitely. Go and check how deep it is. And I won't lie to you, it's pretty cold water here. Oh. Bloody hell, it's cold. Oh, I know it's not refreshing, it's freezing. Oh. Ouch! Bloody rocks everywhere. Ouch! Oh. Do you know what pisses me the most? She's over there telling me how good I am, that I can make it. That was nice.
The thing that came to my mind is that it's beautiful and very peaceful in this area especially. Over there is a bar with music, but here it's very peaceful and you can hear the birds.
And basically everyone can find its own spot. Other experience, look at this. I mean, don't be surprised. They said that yesterday it was like much more water here. So the river was much higher. But now this is like sauna. The rocks are super hot. So it's super hot in here. So we'll definitely go for a swim. Anything else we would like to share?
Oh, one more thing. A lot of butterflies.
Yeah, so a lot of butterflies. The Beast on the road about men's motorbike trips. A lot of butterflies. Awesome. Oh! You know how cold it is? Like this cold, like that cold. Bloody hell. Oh, I mean it's beautiful, but it's cold. Oh, now you. Your turn. Yeah.
No way.
Go.
I don't feel my legs.
No.
My troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping.
It's time to show you Albanian beaches. So we are heading right over there. But first we need to get there, and I'll show you with the drone what sort of beautiful road we are hitting right now. Guys, if there is a hell, and an evil in the hell was learning like what should be the temperatures, I'm pretty sure the evil was in Albania. She's traveling like that. No way. No way. And yeah, all of this and cleaning of the bike, like what?
6 euro.
6 euros, 5 euros, including the bike cleaning, but hell. So we finally made it to the sea. Hopefully you can hear me well, because there is a small wind, but I'm too lazy to take off the mic. But and the sea is very refreshing, very nice. Everything is quite decent. There she is. I would like to bring you a tree experience, you know. It's very, you know how it is with cameras. I don't know if you have been playing around with videos and stuff, but it's always like what you show to the people. And you can show beautiful things and everybody will think Albania is beautiful, or you can show ugly things and everybody will think, oh, maybe Albania it's not that beautiful. What I'm finding out is a mixture of both, and we will get to this later, but let me show you my first impression when we first arrived to the sea. Okay, that's the parking lot, that's the area. Just a simple question: why if you're selling something right over there, you have bullshit garbage in here, you have garbage like that right over there? So you have a gem like that. Many countries would be absolutely stunned to have such a view like that, such a sea like that, and you're doing this to you. I'm pretty sure some tourists live it here. Why we are doing this? And yeah, maybe this is just the first beach, maybe this is really beginning of the seaside. And first impression, beautiful and not so on the same side. This is it from our Albanian trip, part 5. If you like what I do, if you like to see where I'm traveling, what I'm working on, follow me on Facebook or Instagram as MartinTheVlogger, or simply just hit the subscribe button here on YouTube. In next episode, we'll show you coastline of Albania. It was really, really beautiful, but for that, you have to wait for the new part. Stay tuned, and remember, always have fun.